What happens to your body when you drink coffee every day? Coffee is a familiar daily drink of the majority of the population. People often start the day with a cup of coffee to increase alertness. You can easily find coffee shops. You must have wondered more than once how coffee affects the body, and when you drink it every day, what happens to your body. 1. Caffeine addiction. If drinking coffee every day. Drinking a cup of coffee first thing in the morning can feel incredibly magical sometimes, especially if you're particularly stretched that day. But be careful if you find yourself doing it every day, as you could get addicted. The reason for that addiction is that coffee competes with adenosine receptors in the brain. 2. Drinking coffee every day keeps you awake and reduces depression. In addition to the effect of competing with adenosine receptors in the brain to keep the body awake, coffee also increases neurotransmitters such as dopamine and norepinephrine. This reduces fatigue and increases alertness. 3. Supports weight loss. If you drink coffee every day. Coffee can also help you lose weight by improving physical performance during exercise. It also helps your body absorb and burn the fatty acids in your blood. 4. If you drink coffee every day in the afternoon, your sleep will be disrupted. Drinking coffee every day is a pretty normal habit, especially when you only drink a cup or two right after waking up. But if you are drinking coffee in the afternoon, you may find yourself struggling with insomnia. You will not sleep well or not sleep at night if you drink coffee in the afternoon. 5. You can become agitated if you drink coffee every day. Coffee disrupts your sleep, depending on your physiology. Drinking too much caffeine at any time of day can cause other negative health effects. So, if you feel restless, agitated, anxious or nervous, or having a panic attack, cut back on your coffee intake as soon as possible. 6. Coffee helps prolong life. Some studies show that coffee drinkers over the age of 50 have a reduced risk of premature death compared with non-coffee drinkers. 7. Drinking coffee every day reduces the risk of type 2 diabetes. Diabetes is increasing in the population. The consequences of type 2 diabetes are other health problems. 8. When you drink coffee every day, you boost your antioxidant levels. Antioxidants are an important component of your diet. They help minimize any potential harm to the body caused by free radicals. 9. You can protect your brain from disease by drinking coffee every day. Some studies show that coffee use seems to have some correlation with a reduced risk of developing Alzheimer's and Parkinson's disease. 10. Drinking coffee every day can increase memory. Not only can serious diseases like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's be avoided, but drinking coffee every day can also help your brain. 11. Drinking coffee every day is good for the liver. Another benefit of coffee is good for the liver. Choosing to drink coffee every day can protect you from liver disease. 12. Drinking unfiltered coffee daily can raise cholesterol levels. Drinking filtered coffee every day will not harm you or raise your LDL cholesterol. Avoid drinking coffee that has not been used through a filter paper. 13. Drinking coffee during pregnancy will have adverse effects on the health of mother and baby. Pregnant women must take good care of their health during pregnancy, including maintaining a healthy diet. 14. How much coffee should you drink per day? With all the information available about coffee and its impact on your health, it can be difficult to figure out how much coffee you should drink each day. If you are a normal healthy person, you can drink daily, 1 to 2 cups/day. Do not drink too much coffee during the day. If you experience symptoms of being intoxicated with coffee, reduce your coffee intake. If you have any medical conditions, talk to your doctor when deciding to drink coffee every day.